Hello, this is teacher Francis Omai. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In our today's video, we're gonna focus on factorization method as a method of solving quadratic equations. Remember, in our previous two videos, we focused on solving quadratic equations using completing square method, and the other one was using the quadratic formula. This one is the third part, and the final part will be graphical method. Now, factorization method, assuming that maybe we have a question such as solve for x, where we have an equation that says x squared, let's say, plus 7x plus 12 is equal to 0. We have an equation that says this way, and we're supposed to solve using factorization method. Now, we normally have something called sum. The sum is equal to b. B is the sum and is denoted as s. In our case, we have a quadratic equation should be in the form ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. And that means our a here is 1, our b is 7, our c is 12. Now, in our case, our b, which is the sum, is supposed to be 7, and our product, now the product should be a multiplied by c, denoted as p. In our case, it is 1 times 12, which is 12. Now, the first thing is now to write the products of 12. Products are 12, which includes 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Those are the factors, the multiple factors for 12. Now, in this case, now we ask ourselves, among these numbers, there are those that we can add up to get 7. And if we try out, we only have 3 and 4. If we take 3 plus 4, we get 7. And that means our numbers here will be 3 and 4. For that case, now we expand this equation, and we will have at this part b, we expand using 3 and 4, and that means we will have x squared plus 3x plus 4x, and then plus 12 is equal to 0. Now, if you can check here. If we check here, we have 3x plus 4x, it is still 7x, and that is the simplest way to solve this. Now, in that case, we just factor out common factors. We group them into 2 by 2, and if you group them 2 by 2, we will have x into x is common in the first part, and x plus 3, and then plus, majorly we normally use the number that follows here, which is 4, and we get x plus 3 is equal to 0. You realize that here we have x plus 3 and here we have x plus 3. That is always the case. The first bracket is always equal to the second bracket. Now, that means we take x plus 3, and then we also have x plus 4. We take the first bracket and the second bracket as common. That means you use only one, and then we have this x plus 4, which is here, is equal to 0. That means if we take x plus 3 should give us 0, and x plus 4 should be equal to 0. Taking 3 to the other side, we have x is equals to minus 3, and taking 4 to the other side, we have x is equals to minus 4, and therefore our solutions, x is equals to minus 3 or minus 4, or minus 4. In other words, when we check on the numbers that are can be added or multiplied, the answer is always the opposite of what we got. Here we got positive 3, that means the answer will be negative 3, or 4, that means the answer will be negative 4. Maybe you can try this one as an exercise for yourself. Exercise, you can try, let's say x squared minus x and then minus 1 or maybe you can put minus 12 is equal to 0, and then we can have x squared plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. This one should be positive. Should it be positive? Yeah, you can try that one out. Use it as negative. Yeah, use it as negative. That is an exercise for today. You can try it out, and remember to share, subscribe, and also like. You can also comment. God bless you. Thank you.